Hello, this is Brett Gilbert from Hill Country British. I'd like to show you how to take a door panel off of 87 Range Rover Classic. First, you remove the wood to expose the screws from behind here. You loosen the screws up. Then you want to take your escutcheon off of your handle here. Once you get all that done, with a slight pull from underneath, you're going to pull it away from the door. And then gently slide it down from the wood. We're taking this door panel off because we can't open the door from the outside, so we're going to adjust the linkage for the outside door handle to the latch, and so it will properly unlock. In here there's a clip that you must release to get the lock rod off. Then you can turn it to tighten up the play, which will in turn allow you to get back into the car. Now that we have adjusted the outside door handle linkage and shortened the rod, now we can open the outside of it, and the lock works perfectly. So now that what we're going to do now is we're going to put the door panel back on. Pause it. There we go. There we go. Line up all your clips, give it a little tap. Reinstall the wood. Put on your inside door handle escutcheon. And hola. Works like a charm. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Brett Gilbert at Hill Country British in San Antonio.